Hi there, Chris Middleton again here with Make Taxes Fair, and I'm recording this video. I'm live and unscripted. I'm just having a dialogue with you here, more of a monologue because you're watching this, so I apologize. But I want to tell you a little bit about who Make Taxes Fair is, and two of our frameworks that we've developed over the years. That we love to use when we serve our clients and help our clients implement tax action or take action on tax strategy. The first framework is what we call the FIRE method. And it came about, the story behind this, the FIRE method came about because there's this meme that was popular back during the COVID era where there's this little dog holding a coffee cup and there's a dumpster fire behind him. And he said, everything's fine, right? And that really is at the heart of a busy business owner's life. Like I hate the term small business because there's absolutely nothing small about being in business. I know it's an economic measurement of the size of our business, right? But getting up and fighting that daily battle of charging up the hill and creating our own economy, serving the people we serve, blessing our communities and our families, and creating a living for ourselves, there's nothing small about that. So that FIRE acronym really came about from that when I saw that meme, and it stuck with me for years. And what FIRE stands for is focus, impact, and then respond and efficiency. So focus, impact, respond, efficiency. And as a busy business owner, right, the world is on fire around you, the dumpster fire of our lives sometimes. And so a busy business owner, we say, look, focus in. We're going to teach you something. We're going to teach you the core of a concept that is really going to help you. And once you focus in and you see the impact, so that's the focus impact. Once you see the impact of that strategy or of that strategic framework in your business, now you're ready to respond. You say, if I do X, if I do this thing, it will save me $10,000 a year. Yeah, that's enough of an impact that I'm ready to respond in either myself or a member of my team to take action, right? To respond and do the things that need to happen in my business to obtain efficiency. So focus on what you need to learn, understand the impact of how that thing will impact your life, in your business, in your financial situation, and then respond by following the specific next steps and doing the thing that needs to be done to obtain efficiency. And how we achieve that with our clients at Make Taxes Fair is we achieve that through what we call the Clear Edge framework. And the Clear Edge, aside from it's a nice acronym and it works kind of great. Do you have a Clear Edge over the IRS? The Clear Edge stands for credits, tax credits that you should and could be taking advantage of, legal structure and how the legal structure impacts your business, and how it's taxed and the legal liability protection, etc. Employees, so employees and how you potentially are an employee of your own company or your own business, depending on your legal structure, or your employees and how you can reward, find, retain, and attract, quality people. Accumulation of wealth is the A, for how do you accumulate and build wealth in a tax advantage way. Retirement planning. So those two are two similar but very different topics. Some crossover, but also different. Exit planning is the E in the edge. And how do you plan for an exit, either voluntary or involuntary? Deduction optimization, and how do you optimize your deductions to make sure that you're being efficient? Getting organized, really, how does organization, quality bookkeeping, strategic approach to how you organize your year and approach your taxes. And the end goal is efficiency through systems. So credits, legal structure, employees, accumulation of wealth, retirement, that's the clear. Exit planning, deduction optimization, getting organized, and efficiency through systems, that's the edge. And combined, those pillars of tax planning are how we approach all of our clients. And that gives us the ability to really see, where are you at in your business? Are you in what we would call the launch pad stage where you're growing your business? you're paying 50,000 or less in taxes, so you're still kind of growing and getting your feet under you as a business and revenue wise. Are you in the momentum tier? Are you paying 50 to 150,000 in taxes? So you're seeing success, but the government's starting to figure out that you're seeing success and taking more of your hard-earned profits through taxes. And then the freedom tier, which is if you're paying 150,000 or more in taxes, chances are you're in that higher bracket or those higher brackets. And there are strategies, advanced tax strategies that can really open up to you. So when we approach our clients and those that we work for, and with the fire, to focus, understand the impact, respond, and gain efficiency, and then the clear edge frameworks, that's how we really help people get results and ultimately put out the dumpster fire that is your is your tax. Hopefully you're not your tax bill, but that's how we help people. So again, thank you for being here. This video is recorded as part of our Launchpad series that is inside of our community. So if you're seeing this on YouTube, maketaxesfair.com/community is how you get access to this framework, or this that Launchpad menu of services, I guess I would say. And appreciate you being here. Your time is incredibly valuable, and we understand that and hope that this is useful to you. So if it is, please share this with a friend. We like to say friends don't let friends overpay the government. That's our slogan and mantra. We are grateful to serve the entrepreneurial community and appreciate you being here. Thanks so much. Bye for now.